Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Today we want to present about project presentation data structure. Department name, Jabatan Teknologi Maklumat dan Komunikasi, kod and kursus DFC30153 data structure. Project report, prepare to lecturer name, Puan Nur Amir Atikah binti Durrahim. Program DDT3A, prepare by my name, Intan Aina binti Muhammad Zulkifli, registration number 03DDT20F1034.
My name is Siti Wafida binti Abdul Wahid. My registration number is 03 DDT20F1007.
My name is Abdul Ghofur bin Busiri. My registration number 03DDT20F1044.
First, I will present about question 1. Baskin-Robbins is an American multinational chain of ice cream and cat specialty shop restaurant owned by Inspired Brain. Baskin-Robbins want to recognize their organization chart based on new employment for 2021. This company have a 2 director, 3 technical department, that is professional service, customer service, and project coordination, and 3 non-technical department, that is human resources, marketing, and sales. The director is named as Director 1 and Director 2. Every staff need to know their hierarchical organization. Technical department is director and supervised by director 2 and non-technical department is director and supervised by director 1. Human resources department want to store the ID number of 10 Baskin-Robbins new staff. The data will be stored in the company online system and the list of new staff is in the below. First question is propose the technique and solution to create new organization chart. I suggest using the concept of 3 technique for the solution of creating a new organization chart for Baskin-Robbins. This is because a tree is a non-linear data structure and also using a hierarchical structure on a collection of items. It is particularly suitable for application such as organization chart. Through this organization chart, it will visually show the hierarchical status of certain employees compared to other individuals in the company. For example, an assistant director will often fall directly below the director on the chart, indicating that the first report to the second. Second question is draw the organization chart for Baskin-Robbins. For the level 1, we have the name company that is Baskin-Robbins. For the level 2, we have a director 1 and director 2 in the below Baskin-Robbins. For the level 3, we have a non-technical department in the below director 1 and technical department in the below director 2. For the level 4, we have a human resources, marketing, and sales in the below non-technical department, and we have a professional service, customer service, and project coordination in the below technical department. For the human resources, we have a 2 employees, that is Ismail and F&D. For the marketing, we have a Kamaluddin, and for the sales, we have an employee that is Hadi and Daud. For the professional service, we have a 2 employees that is a Faris and Rahman. And for the customer service, we have a Anwar and Rambi. And for the last, we have a project coordination. The employee that is Rahim. That is all from me.
For question 2, Baskin-Robbins want to move to new office before January 2022, which is in Petaling Jaya, Selangor. Technical department has 10 computer in the current office, which is labeled by PCA until PCJ. The workers need to pack all the computer and arrange it as before. They have 2 lorries and each lorry can keep 5 computer. Question A, suggest the best solution based on data structure concept. In my opinion, using stack concept is the best. Question B, get your answer based on situation above. Okay. First, we have to push PCE. Second, we have to push PCD. Third, we push PCC. Fourth, push PCB. Then, 5, push PCA. In lorry 2, we push PCJ. Second, we push PCI. Third, we push PCH. And fourth, we push PCG. And lastly, we push PCF. Then we pop it. At lorry 1, we pop PCA. Second, we pop PCB. Third, we pop PCC. And fourth, we pop PCD. And lastly, we pop PCE. At lorry 2, we pop PCF. Second, we pop PCG. Third, we pop PCH. Fourth, we pop PCI. And last, we pop PCJ. Then it as before.
For my question is question 3. 1 p.m. is the break time for Baskin Robbins staff. They are going to cafe for having their lunch time. There are 3 people in a row to order the food, and the first person order the food is Faris, and followed by Effendi and Daud. After 5 minutes, Faris was the first person that going up for the line, while Effendi and Daud still waiting for the food. Another 10 time, Rahman come to the cafe together with Rahim, and Rahman starting to choose the food, but Rahim have to wait until Rahman order the food. For question A, suggest the best solution based on data structure concept. In my opinion, I choose queue linked list. In my opinion, B, sketch your answer based on the situation above. First, create linked list queue Baskin Robbins staff. 2, in queue Faris, Effendi, Daud, Baskin Robbins staff. 3, DQ Baskin Robbins staff. In queue Rahman, Baskin Robbins staff. 5, in queue Rahim, Baskin Robbins staff. So, first, we will create linked list queue first. So the diagram will become like this. For number 2, in queue, Faris, Effendi, Daud for Baskin Robbins staff because they are because the 3 people in a row to order the food. Because they 3 in a row to order the food. For number 3, DQ. For number 3, DQ because Faris was the first person from going up from the line. For number 4, NQ, Rahman, Baskin Robbins staff. Because Rahman come together to cafe with Rahim. And last is NQ, Rahim, Baskin Robbins staff. Rahim have to wait Rahman to order the food. So the last queue linked list will become like this. Okay, that's all for our project presentation data structure. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.